Take a ride in the 2009 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, auto headlight on/off, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar Communication System. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.